Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
The Foundation for Recovery has started a bus tour called Mobilize Recovery. Beginning in Las Vegas and stopping here at Living Free Health in Pahrump this morning, Shelley Poerio, who founded Living Free, held the event in the cafe that supports the many programs that help those who are struggling with addiction. The Foundation for Recovery brought a tour bus that participants will be signing during the many stops across the U.S. This morning started with breakfast provided by Living Free and several speakers, including our own Judge Kim Walker, who runs the drug court program locally, and Poerio herself. The foundation says that it's often coined that recovery meets people where they're at. That's why in 2022, they are partnering with organizations, brands, and individuals across the country to bring the Mobilize Recovery experience to their communities. Launching during Labor Day weekend, Mobilize Recovery across America has departed on that national bus tour, stopping at cities and towns. Each stop, the communities will be brought together to highlight the recovery experience that is so unique in different regions throughout America. With the support of brands such as Google and iHeartMedia, all stops will have a virtual component, so audiences can tune in from around the country to learn about how different areas of the nation are mobilizing to create change. The next stop for Mobilize Recovery are in Reno, Nevada, Sacramento, California, Mountain View, California, Denver, Colorado, Augusta, Maine, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Manitowoc, Wisconsin, Paducah, Kentucky, Dayton, Ohio, Marietta, Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, Ottawa, South Carolina, Washington, D.C., Warrenton, Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Robbinsville, New Jersey, Marlborough, New Jersey, New York, Newark, Delaware, Lewisburg, West Virginia, Indianapolis, Indiana, Naperville, Illinois, Albuquerque, New Mexico, and Spokane, Washington. Throughout the national tour, peers will train the community members on mental health, community-initiated care, overdose prevention, and harm reduction education. Training and resources such as naloxone will be distributed at pop-up stations in local retail, commercial, and residential areas. Policymakers will be engaged in listening sessions with residents in their hometowns. Narrative and organizing workshops will be provided to community members and advocates involved in mental health, addiction and recovery, and drug policy advocacy. Roundtables with local employers and businesses will be convened around topics such as mental health wellness for employees and recovery-ready workplace initiatives. Schools and educators will be engaged. Families will be engaged through practical prevention tools and strategies, and so much more. For more information, you can find Foundation for Recovery on the web.